In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter by date in Google Sheets. This is an incredibly useful skill to have, especially if you want to sort through extensive datasets to find relevant information quickly. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open up your Google Sheets. Make sure you have access to the sheet you want to work on. If it's shared with you, just verify that you have the necessary permissions to edit it. Once your sheet is open, take a look at the column headers. This is where you identify the specific date column you'd like to filter. Now click directly on the column header that contains your date information. This helps Google Sheets understand the range you're focusing on. Next, look towards the top menu bar and click on the option labeled Data. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to data manipulation. From this menu, click on Create a Filter. This action doesn't change any data, but adds small filter icons to each column, allowing you to filter specific data points. Once the filter is created, go back to the date column. Here, you'll notice a little funnel icon, which is now your filter tool. Clicking this filter icon opens a panel with various filtering options. Initially, it displays all dates currently present in the column. To get started, click on Clear to uncheck all the boxes. This helps to start fresh, ensuring that only the dates you select next are shown. Next, carefully click on the specific dates you are interested in filtering. For example, you might want to narrow it down to specific dates like August 3rd, 2025 and August 9th, 2025. Clicking these dates selects them to be displayed in your sheet. Finally, once you've picked your dates, click OK. This confirms your selections and activates the filter. You'll notice your sheet automatically updates to show only the rows with the chosen dates. This neat feature in Google Sheets allows you to pinpoint the exact information you need without manually scrolling through the entire dataset. That's it. You've successfully filtered your Google Sheet by date. This method is a straightforward way to streamline your data analysis, helping you focus on what's important. I encourage you to experiment with the filter options as they offer various ways to sort and analyze your data. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any step, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy filtering.